This bit of kit is absolutely wicked. It's worth every bit of the money.
It's not.
Yes, YouTube, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be using the OBD11 code reader. There's a few things I want to use on this today on my car, and we've also got the Carista code reader, but I'm going to do a separate video on this one. But for today we'll be using the OBD11. So yeah, stay tuned, let's get it. So before we start, I just want to start off saying this bit of kit is absolutely wicked. It's worth every bit of the money. The OBD11, let's get into it and show you what this little bad boy can do. The first thing what you'll need to do is download the OBD11 app from Google Play, because this version is Android supported. So you will download the app and then open the app and follow instructions to pair your phone with your OBD11 code reader. Yep. So let's go and put this in and show you what it can do. As you can see that here, so that is where the OBD11 code reader is going to plug into. And you just push that in and that's in. Alright, so once you've inserted the OBD11 reader into the car, you would then go to your phone, open the OBD11 app on your phone, and then follow instructions, put your car details into the app, and then a picture of your car will appear here. And so I was just running through it just a minute ago and I realised I've got one fault. So I'm going to show you what it is and how to clear it. Once your car details are in, it will allow you to scan. So you just hold that button down, it will scan the car for any faults or anything. Furthermore, let me go ahead and do that. So look, it's scanning the car for any faults. And as I said, as I was looking a minute ago, I saw one for, I think it was airbag. There's a missing message in airbag, but we'll see what comes up. So yeah, there's one fault for airbag. I thought I saw it. But yeah, take your time. As you can see on the bottom left, the green circle with the numbers in it, there are all the things that it is scanning and it is happy with, that there's no faults with. So anything detected, it will pop up there where it says 1 active, and then obviously you got the airbag symbol in yellow there indicating that it's an airbag problem. Obviously once the scan is complete, you can then go into it properly and see what the fault is. So we got the one fault there, so let's go into it and see what it is. So we click these arrows here, not arrows, lines, sorry, and then we'll zoom up there. So there it is, airbag there on the red, so we'll click into that, and then it says faults there, so you've got info faults. There we are, let's click into faults. Data bus missing message. So that's what it is, that's what the fault is. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and reset that. So let's go back. Come back to the home page. So we're going to reset that. What we're going to do is hold down that, and that's it. It's done. Reset, simple. So no faulty control units. It simply just reset. There was just probably a slight little glitch in the airbag system, and it's just reset it. So there. So now let's get on to the hidden features. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try and unlock the video in motion for the MIB system. So let's go ahead and click that. So as you can see already, it's already off. So what we need to do is click on, and then click on, and then it's on, and then that little green tick at the bottom, tick that. I must say as well, so this is 100 credits. Obviously, when you buy the OBD11, you get, I think you get a certain amount of credits with it, and then every day you can earn credits by watching ads. I think the OBD11 Pro, you get more credits. I think it's like 100 credits when you buy it, but this ain't the Pro. But I mean, you don't have to spend money on credits. You do have the option of spending money on credits depending on how badly or quickly you need something done, but it's not. It's only for the features you have to pay for. Well, not pay for, but you can use credits. But the diagnostics is completely free. It would just the fault finding is free on it. It wouldn't charge you for that. But it's just for the hidden features and things like this. What I'm trying to do now, it will charge you for. So it's 100 credits for the video motion play on the MIB. So every day I've been watching ads, stacking up my credits, because I'm not really looking to pay. I'm not sure. It will show you how much it is for a set amount of credits, but I'm just not really on spending money on credits where I can earn them. So, but yeah, it is 100 credits, or 100 anything, whatever you want to do each way to turn it on or off. So yeah, as it's on now, so I've switched it on. I need to press the green tick there at the bottom. So let's press that. So it's just loading up, and that's done. So as you said, it's completed. So let's try now. Yeah, let's give it a try. Alright, so it's working out. We're stationary now. Let's try drive off and see what happens. Jeez, still playing. So that's kind of sick. I wanted that. I'm glad I've done that. So that will be it for this video, guys. We've managed to get the video in motion on the MIB, so we are able to now drive with the videos playing up on the pop-up dash, thanks to the OBD11. As I said, a very useful bit of kit to have, worth every bit of the money, and it will save you a hell of a lot of money in the long run as well. So link in the descriptions for an OBD11 if you guys want to pick yourself one up. They're very useful, very handy to have, very easy to navigate through as well. It's very, very needed. So yeah, also I'll be doing a review on the Carista code reader that I've got as well. But in my opinion, I think the OBD11 is the all-round winner. Till the next video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace!